Good day everyone, welcome. In this video we're talking about if we can withdraw our balance from GoCrypto. So guys, let us begin. GoCrypto allows users to withdraw their crypto balances to external wallets. To do this, you need to navigate to Crypto Balance. On the main menu, select Crypto Balance, initiate withdrawal, click the withdraw button next to the currency you wish to transfer. After that, specify the amount and provide the external wallet address. Ensure the wallet supports the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring. A confirmation link will be sent to your registered email. Click to finalize the withdrawal. Also, GoCrypto processes payouts in both local currencies and cryptocurrencies. The frequency of these payouts can vary based on your account settings and specific arrangements you've made. It's essential to ensure that your payout preferences are correctly configured and your account receive funds as desired. And that's how you can withdraw your balance basically. Always double check your wallet address and stay informed about your payout settings. For more crypto tips, do not forget to like and subscribe. See you guys very soon.